everyone, this is how you make a rainbow tassel blanket. First you make a tassel by wrapping yarn around a book 15 times. Then you take an 8-inch piece of yarn and you remove the yarn from the book, place it in the middle and tie it into a knot. Next you trim the loops on the end. Then you take a 24-inch piece of yarn and you loop it at the top of the tassel, wrapping it around 7 times. And then you take the yarn, you loop it through the loop at the bottom, then you pull it through the top and you snip off the excess. Then you trim the bottom of the tassel. Next, add your tassel to the blanket by threading the yarn through a yarn needle and then sewing it onto the blanket. Then you tie the tassel into a bow. Next, you repeat the process by using the card to evenly space the tassels apart. And now you have a rainbow blanket.